Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best payroll for US small businesses by comparing Gusto and ADP. If you're looking for the best payroll as a small businesses in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Gusto is a cloud-based payroll and HR platform designed for small businesses seeking streamlined payroll processing, benefits administration, and compliance management. What makes Gusto stand out is its simplicity, offering user-friendly payroll automation alongside core HR services and benefits management tools. Gusto is a strong fit for small businesses with budget constraints that want powerful yet easy-to-use payroll solutions. It helps reduce administrative overhead and supports tax compliance without requiring advanced HR tools. ADP, automatic data processing, is a global leader in payroll and HR services, built for growing and enterprise-level organizations with complex payroll and HR requirements. It delivers highly customizable solutions and robust compliance support. When comparing Gusto versus ADP, ADP caters to larger businesses needing advanced features and scalable HR infrastructure. ADP is ideal for businesses that manage complex payroll scenarios, require advanced compliance tools, and need scalable payroll platforms with enterprise-level HR management and support. Gusto offers fixed plans with no setup fees, starts around $40 per month plus $6 per employee. ADP uses custom quotes, with pricing that may vary by company size and features. Gusto includes health benefits and benefits management in most plans. ADP supports more comprehensive benefit solutions, but often at additional cost. Gusto automates payroll calculation, tax forms, and ACH payments. ADP supports advanced compliance tools and benefits deductions for larger teams. Gusto offers responsive chat support and phone assistance. ADP provides a dedicated payroll specialist and premium support for enterprise clients. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.